the entire country, because everybody's glued onto the television to receive this. As team leader, I was only given the assignment of leading the forces that I seek your permission to introduce. First, our Secretary General, David Lewis. My brother, Anthony Wameli. He kept praying. He led the prayers in the group because he's a pastor, as you know. My uncle, Alhaji Abdallah Chwanuka. My young brother, Mwada Nkunyinji. My young sister, Shami Malende. We had the able support of Benjamin Katana. Nelson Mafabi, not Nandala. Where are the other lawyers? Oh, my young little son. My young little son. Mr. President, I'm not in good health to give a long speech, but let me mention something. If you want to know there is something abnormal about this country, just witness a struggle between the Jaja Yoweri Tibuhaburwa Yeseri Museveni and this fat man called Sasma. Surely, how do you have a contest between Sasma and Tibuhaburwa? That is how unfair this country has become. I want to acknowledge all the participants and the contributions of all the lawyers that have assisted us in this struggle. There is one I deprived of this opportunity who should have been here, Jonathan Eloti. He was the coordinator. He would run between me and Lewis, the Secretary General. So, Mr. President, the last thing I want to say, yes, the gentleman was seeking permission to go back and and that is what it should be. Mr. President, the struggle is not over. But this was a struggle against the people of Uganda. The people of Uganda continue in the struggle to break the chains that have enslaved them in their own country. I do not want to say much. We agreed as the legal team to present this ruling formally to you and the party, but through you and the party, Mr. President, to the country, because this case came up and was crafted to intimidate our forces of change. In particular, some of our contestants who had been dissuaded to think that if you nominate on the NUP ticket, then the next day the party will be no more, and quite a significant number pulled out of the race. Others returned or shelved our ticket because they thought the party was coming to an end. Now, this is a struggle for the brave. I therefore want to congratulate those that have remained brave and committed to the cause. Thank you.